Stubborn clogs and slow drains are a massive headache for any property owner. When plunging and chemical cleaners fail to clear the line, it is time to look at professional, heavy-duty solutions. Traditional plumbing snakes or augers are great for minor blockages. However, they only poke a small hole through the center of the clog to restore flow, leaving sticky residue and buildup securely attached to the pipe walls. Hydrojetting is a highly effective, non-invasive drain cleaning technology. Instead of a metal cable, it uses specialized, heavy-duty hoses and a multi-directional nozzle to deliver a blast of highly pressurized water into your sewer line. Operating at thousands of pounds per square inch, the water acts like a laser. Forward-facing jets break apart the core solid blockage, while rear-facing jets simultaneously scour the interior walls of the pipe completely clean. The result is a plumbing line that is essentially restored to its original, factory-like condition. The intense water pressure strips away decades of accumulated sludge, scale, and hard mineral deposits that snaking simply leaves behind. Hydrojetting is absolutely necessary for heavy grease blockages. Fats, oils, and grease coat the inside of pipes like plaque. Only high-pressure water can fully emulsify and wash that sticky sludge away completely. It is also one of the most effective ways to handle tree root intrusions. The razor-sharp water streams easily slice through dense, fibrous root webs that have infiltrated underground sewer lines, clearing the pathway entirely. If you find yourself repeatedly dealing with the exact same slow drain every few months, you have a chronic issue. Hydrojetting eliminates the root cause of the buildup, stopping the frustrating cycle of constant backups. Hydrojetting is not just for plumbing emergencies. High-usage environments, large households, and commercial properties benefit greatly from routine jetting as preventative maintenance to ensure waste lines stay completely open year-round. Because the water pressure is so incredibly intense, a professional will always perform a video camera inspection first. This ensures your older pipes are structurally sound enough to handle the process without sustaining any damage. Clear your pipes completely and stop recurring clogs for good. For expert hydrojetting and comprehensive drain cleaning services, contact Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.